Yeah, that's me. My shop on my shop this Monday 10 and just wait for that time. Still popping. That's what we call it in Tagalog. The Filipino dessert. In our dialect, we call this in the weirdest way. Sorry. I need milk. So cute. Baby, everything we can make it like this. Take me back in your eyes. Blinking me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I really need a single.
By her fears, and of dinner by their suddenly calm. All that remained to be done was to be speedy, and therefore stay only to violence that Mr. Palmer abruptness a moment afterwards.
So good morning, you guys. I'm making coffee right now. I'll come on in here and give you a huge thank you. Give a huge thank you to you guys who have subscribed last week and this week. Welcome to my channel and all the silliness that it is, and crafting, and what really my passions are in terms of art and shop openings, shop drops, and product making. Thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to my channel again, and for those of you who were subscribed already, thank you so much for continuing your support. I appreciate you so much. I'm really like whispering a little because my brother's sleeping, so I'm just like, okay, just gonna come on in here and say hi. I think I'm gonna remove this one. It's too much. It takes up too much room for only such a 4x4 unfinished small painting. So excuse me. I'm gonna take this out of the table and put it back there. I still have space because I'm just gonna arrange those things today. So I'm gonna take this down and fold it, and so we have more free space. So I'm gonna do it now without injuring anybody else except me. Yeah, without injuring you too. Okay, be kind to yourself. I'm so sorry. Okay. I've just been goofball today. This morning. So I'm gonna here first, and the eraser goes there, and this one goes here, and then go like that, and so that it won't be I'll take it. Okay. Take it this. Go like this. And release. All its glory. Yikes. Release. Oh, so delicate. Yeah. Okay, that was easy to do that. Yeah, I'd rather do that than get up and do it the other way. I was thinking at first. So put this here, stuff in there, and it's stuck on a Velcro from my computer. We're gonna do that, and yeah, we did it. Sorry. Thank you for hanging out with me this morning. Word honey,
butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise. The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? I hope you hit me back, 'cause I can't wait to see you. Everything's a vibe, the both of us who knew how fast.
Hi guys, I'm eating bilo. That's what we call it in Tagalog. It's a Filipino dessert, snack slash dessert, and in our dialect we call this in a weirdest way. Sorry, binignit, but in Tagalog it's bilo. It has it's like a sweet soup with coconut milk and a little bit of sugar. It has tapioca pearls. It has what is that called? Like cardava banana, yeah. And it has jackfruit, strips of jackfruit, and also taro and cassava or yucca root. cassava, yeah. So that's what it consists of. It how do you call that, coconut cream or milk. But we usually make it with fruit. If you make it in house, in her own house, yeah, we use coconut milk. And but there's different regions, they make different styles of this, like how they make it, different recipes, different strategies to make these things. But and different, you know, style of how they make it. But ours is just like this one is more like really thick instead of a runny consistency of the coconut milk. True, it kind of like thickens too when we make it for, you know, ourselves. But this one we bought, right? It's thicker. Better use coconut milk, or either coconut milk, a little bit of cornstarch. I don't know. Tastes good. We went to the Filipino store yesterday to buy rice and a few vegetable staples. So this is what we got. A little bit of Filipino food and this sweet soup, bilo-bilo in Tagalog, or binignit in our dialect, which is Cebuano, Bisaya, my dialect in the Philippines. So now, on to the package. story. Yesterday, we had this one, the brother, right? The brother machine working, and a little bit after we did our sewing, this crazy thing, the bobbin, what do you call that? Bobbin case in here, the bobbin compartment where the needle is at, going up and down, right? You know, underneath. The hook moved and shifted. The position shifted. It went all the way where the needle is at. That's why when you keep sewing it, it shifted, right? Keep sewing it. It's all like gets that towel texture behind the. The front is fine when you go around it with the needle, and the behind of the fabric, it's like, you know, those like what do you call that? Punch needle effect. Yes, that's what was going on here. So instead doing getting, I don't know, because I bought this long time ago. Like it's about like, I think this is about like when I owned this, like about 4 years ago. 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 or 4 years ago. Yes, 3 or 4 years ago. And I bought it. It was refurbished, so it finally has the end of its days. And so we're gonna either get it fixed. We decided to get. We will have options. We're deciding to options to either get fixed. I don't know, we don't wear, you know, the sewing machine fixer here in the local area, or we could just buy another one. So we opt for the second one, which is buy another one, because we really need a sewing machine right now, because of this. We have to make products, you know. So we bought this one. So with the package, I don't know how many fabric squares are in here, but so pretty. Guys, thank you for the nice touch added to these things. There's plenty more inside with it. Okay. So guys. Manual. I knew there was a kit. This one too, and presser. Look, this is the cutest, tiniest presser foot I've ever seen. This is the cutest, tiniest presser foot I've ever seen. And the adapter connector. And I mentioned that you can also use 4 AA batteries, AA batteries on this one. Yeah, it's really cool. You can use it outdoors if you need to. It's a teeny sewing machine. Yay. It's so tiny. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. Can I put my... Oh yeah, I can put my arm in here. I was wondering if that I could fit in that, but anyways, how do you? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Ooh, it's really, yeah. And you can cut your thread here by lifting this out. Yeah, and then cut. That's so seamless. So I'm gonna save this for future storing so that I can put the needle through here. It's stored. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. It has a steel bobbin, you guys. It's so cute. It's a steel bobbin. Oh, it's the first time I've seen one in ages. Awesome. So we have all these freebies kit that came with it. And we have seam rippers, scissors, mini scissors, threader, needles, thimble, tape measure, and look at all the bobbins, guys. It's metal. That is what's so cool about it. Different shades of the rainbow colors. And that's just like, you know, and then this is like some of these are pastel for threads. Oh man, this is so cool. And look at more white. There's more winded bobbins here, black, white, and there's also a white one here that's pre-loaded. There's another needle there. Another presser foot for, I think that's for buttons, a manual, and a sample of fabric. Oh, it's so cute. It's cute. Actually, I thought it was gonna be a bigger sewing machine like that one. I think it's like a kiddie machine, but at least there's still gonna, you know what? It feels so sturdy. Yeah, it's not a cheap machine that you like. It doesn't feel like a kid machine. It's small in terms of size because it's a kid machine, but it's really light and it feels durable, you guys. And even the joints right here, how you move that, it's tight, a little bit snug, you know, and how it flows right here, it's very smooth. Yeah, I can even, I'm gonna try to sew something later. I'm gonna try to sew something on this later, but first I just have to go back to my room and continue painting before mom wakes up so we can breaking in on this machine.
Drawing room to tea. Of breakfast, she had been kept by her fears, and of dinner by their sudden reverse from eating much, and the present refreshment, therefore, with such feelings of content as she brought to it, was particularly welcome. Mrs. Jennings would have persuaded her, at its conclusion, to take some rest before her mother's arrival, and allow her to take her place by Marianne. But Eleanor had no sense of fatigue, no capability of sleep at that moment about her, and she was not to be kept away from her sister an unnecessary instant.
Roll it down.